In a peaceful village, there lived 4 friends: Alex, Ben, Casey, and Dana. Each possessed a unique skill. Alex was a talented painter, Ben had a knack for crafting intricate sculptures, Casey was a gifted musician, and Dana was a skilled poet. One day, the friends decided to collaborate on a project that would showcase their individual talents. Alex painted a breathtaking landscape, while Ben crafted a delicate sculpture to accompany it. Casey composed a mesmerizing melody, and Dana wrote a heartfelt poem to complete the artwork. As they combined their creations, something magical happened. The painting, the sculpture, the music, and the poem seemed to fuse into a masterpiece that resonated deeply with anyone who experienced it. The final piece was not just a mere collection of their individual works, it had taken on a life of its own. As the village gathered to admire their creation, a wise elder remarked, "Truly, the whole is more than the sum of its parts." The friends realized the profound truth in those words. Individually, their talents were impressive, but when brought together, they had created something far greater than what they could have achieved alone. They had embodied Aristotle's timeless insight that the synergy of their combined efforts had produced a result that transcended their individual contributions. This simple tale illustrates Aristotle's philosophy that when different elements come together in harmony, they create a collective brilliance that surpasses their individual significance. Just as the friends' collaborative artwork showcased, the power of collaboration and unity can elevate the value of each individual's contribution and create something extraordinary.